Offroad touring life. Now I wasn't sure whether I'm going to do a video with this or not yet, but just on my way up to Craig's Hut, made a 20-minute decision at 1:30 on a Sunday afternoon to shoot up here for the night. Got Anthony from High Country Adventure Tours has got a trip planned for Beyond Blue. So they're heading across the High Country for 5 days. Unfortunately, because of work commitments, I couldn't commit to the whole time. So I'm just quickly shooting up here for the night. Thunder's been rolling around the mountains the whole way up to here. So right now it's about 4:30, Sunday afternoon, right at the start of Clear Hills track. Like I said, don't even know if I'll use this video or how much I'm going to film. About to pop it in low range and head up the hill there behind me. There's the hut there behind me. And that thunder, as soon as I stopped filming before, there was a crack of thunder just whacked me right in the chest there. You could feel the force of that one. It's been rolling right around the hills. It's a bit windy now. There's been a bit of rain coming through. The dust has been settled. But there we are, back at Craig's Hut with the epic views. If you haven't been here, like recent video I was up here, but yeah, awesome. So just while we're here, we'll try to film a rainbow over the back of the hut there. Couldn't quite capture it probably in a little GoPro, but absolutely magnificent. So what I'll do now, jump back in the patrol, head over, say good day to Anthony and meet some of the other guys over at the camp there. Ran into Shane from ProWire Auto Alex already, so it's good to catch up with him. Alright, time to head over to the camp. So if you haven't been to Craig's Hut before, I often talk about going camping midweek. It's Sunday Arvo, the only people here are the group that we're with. Now also, if you haven't been here before, there is toilets here, a couple picnic tables and a sheltered area also. If you want to check those out when you're up here, utilise those. Alright, time to head to camp. Camp's all set up. Got a spot here just out down the back side of Craig's Hut, so got the swag out and out there. Been over, met the people who are doing the tour for the week. So look forward to tonight. Probably won't film anything tonight, maybe a little bit on the way out tomorrow. Just a quick insight into last minute trip that I'm doing tonight. Alright, so the sun's just setting now. Just had dinner, just standing up on the backside of Craig's Hut here. There is a bit of a breeze. The sun is just setting over the other side there behind me. I'll give you guys a look at that. So just there, the thunder's gone, the rain's gone now as well. Bit of rain earlier on. Now this trip here, just like I mentioned a couple of times, it was just a short trip to come up. Now this trip's a fundraiser part of Beyond Blue for men's mental health. Anthony has organised it all, and Shane from ProWise, the support vehicle for this trip. Now, throughout last year, this trip was actually postponed a couple of times. There's even a guy down here from Queensland joining this trip for this week. Unfortunately, because of work commitments, I can't make it for the whole week, but there were some great companies that were on board from the start, offered up some products, and there was online auctions and stuff raising money for Beyond Blue. So there was a target of $10,000 to be raised, and that has been exceeded. So thanks to everyone that gave for that. Alright, so I'm going to wrap this trip up here. Just on the circuit road heading out. It's about 7:45 now. Making my way back out towards Mansfield. But thanks heaps for watching. Hopefully you've liked what you've seen. Absolutely spectacular sunsets, sunrises back at Craig's Hut. It never disappoints. The fog's still lifting up behind me through the valleys there. So again, thanks so much for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below as well. I'll get back to everyone that comments down there, and I will see you all next time. Cheers.